Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Bitcoin to your MetaMask wallet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaMask wallet and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaMask wallet apps on the screen, where you can see the buy BNB at the bottom of this dashboard, and just below of this buy BNB option you can see the import tokens. So simply tap on that import tokens option and you'll be redirected to another page where you can see two options. First one is search and another is custom token. So in custom token you need to simply enter your token contract address manually and finally click on next, and you'll be able to import it successfully. And the simple way to add Bitcoin is by tapping on the search option and simply search in the search bar. Just type BTC and you can see the Bitcoin BEP2 at the top. So just check mark this one and finally click on the next, and finally tap on the import option and you'll be able to add it successfully. So basically this is how you can add Bitcoin to your MetaMask wallet. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.